Hey there, future grass gurus. Are you tired of screens and gadgets constantly bombarding your senses? Well, get ready to embark on a journey of enlightenment like no other. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of watching grass grow, a true masterpiece in tranquility and an escape from our digital overlords. Warning: the following tutorial may cause an uncontrollable urge to cancel your Netflix subscription and embrace a life of serenity. Proceed with caution, or not at all. We are not responsible for any potential boredom-related injuries or sudden outbursts of profound enlightenment. Buckle up, gurus, because this path to inner peace is not for the faint of heart. Before you can watch grass grow like a Zen master, you'll need to master the art of patience. Think climbing Mount Everest is tough. That's child's play compared to this endeavor. Grab your determination and sprinkle it with a dash of stoic resolve. To unlock the secrets of grass growth, you'll need the following cutting-edge materials. A pair of high-definition binoculars. Witness each blade of grass in exquisite detail, as if it were a Hollywood blockbuster. We're talking 4K resolution here, folks. Your retinas won't know what hit them. A cushioned seat with built-in cooling system. We all know how demanding comfort can be when observing the profound subtleties of grass growth. This cushioned throne will keep you cool, comfortable, and help you resist the temptation of your oh-so-comfortable bed.
Step 1. Find the perfect grassy spot. Think of yourself as a location scout for the next blockbuster movie. Look for a picturesque patch of grass where the light hits the blades just right, and the ambience is conducive to achieving profound enlightenment. Remember, it's all about that Instagrammable scenery. Step 2. Assume the posture of ultimate Zen. Take a deep breath, strike a pose like a yoga master, and settle into your cushioned seat. Close your eyes and imagine you're a graceful garden gnome, ready to enter a realm of grassy wonder. If you're feeling extra adventurous, you can even rock a grass-inspired hat. It's all about embracing your inner fashion guru. Step 3. Observe with laser-focused attention. Once you're in the Zen zone, open your eyes and let the spectacle of grass growth wash over you. Watch the blades sway gently in the wind, as if they were part of a synchronized dance troupe. Take note of any epic battles between insects or dramatic encounters with passing squirrels. This is nature's reality show. Grab your popcorn.
If some issues arise, consider these tips. What if grass grows too slowly? Fear not, grass gurus. To make time fly faster, indulge in a riveting audiobook. Engage in a staring contest with a squirrel. Or organize a grass-themed haiku competition. You'll forget about the clock altogether. The grass appears lifeless. Have you considered providing motivational speeches to the grass? Whisper words of encouragement, or serenade it with your best Barry White impression. If that fails, sprinkle a little water or fertilizer. Just don't overdo it. Grass doesn't appreciate clingy relationships. Congratulations, dear grass gurus, you have unlocked the ancient secrets of watching grass grow. Now, go forth into the world with your newfound inner peace. Remember, the grass isn't always greener on the other side. Sometimes, it's just waiting for you to pay attention. Stay tuned for our next tutorial on Zen and the art of composting, for an eco-friendly twist on finding enlightenment.